What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've opened up Device Manager and noticed something called USB Composite Device with a yellow warning triangle next to it, or you've plugged in a USB device and Windows just isn't recognizing it properly, this video is exactly what you need. Let's break down what this actually means and how to fix it. So first, what even is a USB composite device? Basically, a lot of modern USB devices aren't just one single function, they're actually several devices bundled into one. Think of a webcam that has both a camera and a microphone built in, or a gaming controller that has both input buttons and vibration motors. Windows uses something called a composite device driver to manage all of these different functions through a single USB connection. When that driver fails or conflicts, you'll get this exact error, and depending on the device, you might lose audio, video, or input functionality entirely. The first thing to try is the simplest possible fix, which is unplugging the device and plugging it back in, ideally into a different USB port. This sounds almost too basic, but a huge number of these errors are simply caused by a poor or unstable connection, and switching ports forces Windows to reinitialize the device from scratch. If that doesn't work, open Device Manager by right-clicking your Start button. Find Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand it, and look for USB Composite Device. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose to search automatically for updated driver software online. Sometimes this will pull a fix directly from Windows Update servers without you needing to do anything else. If Windows says the best driver is already installed but the error persists, try the Uninstall and Reinstall method instead. Right-click the device, select Uninstall Device, and make sure to check the box for removing the driver software if it's available. Once uninstalled, physically unplug the device, restart your computer completely, and then plug the device back in after Windows has fully booted up. This forces Windows to detect it as if it were brand new and install a fresh working driver automatically. Another fix that works particularly well for this error is updating your motherboard's chipset drivers, since the USB Composite Device driver is closely tied to how your motherboard's USB controllers communicate with Windows. Head to your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's official website, search for your exact model, and download the latest chipset and USB controller drivers listed there. Install those, restart your computer, and then test the problematic device again. If you're dealing with this error on multiple different USB devices at once, not just one specific gadget, the issue might actually be a corrupted USB driver stack on a system level. In that case, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the command sfc/scannow to scan and repair corrupted system files, which often includes core USB driver components. And finally, if the error only happens with one specific device and nothing you try seems to fix it, check if there's a dedicated driver available directly from that device's manufacturer, rather than relying on the generic Windows Composite driver, since manufacturer-specific drivers are usually far more stable and feature-complete. That covers the full process for fixing the USB Composite Device driver error. If this got your device working properly again, leave a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll catch you in the next one.